June 2012. We're looking at an article from the BBC. It says Syria and Civil War. It says UN official Herve Latsis. Syria is now in a state of civil war and the government has lost control of large chunks of cities, the UN's head of peacekeeping has told reporters. Now they had to flee out of there. They were getting, I think they were getting stoned and attacked in their vehicles. It says it is the first time for a UN official has formally voiced that view. His comments came as UN monitors in Syria were fired on as they tried to reach the besieged town of Haifa. Meanwhile, U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton accused Russia of supplying helicopters to the Syrian government. She said the move would escalate the conflict quite dramatically. Now, also from the BBC, and guys, in Isaiah and several other places, I'll do a video about this later, about the Bible and the prophecy for this area, but Iran, Syria, and Russia are key to this, and the attack of Israel, and Israel defends itself, possibly knocking out Damascus for the first time in 5,000 years. It not be a city. It will probably attack Egypt to the south because Egypt no longer controls its borders because of the elections. And before that, before the fall of Egypt in the Arab Spring, that they had a deal with the Egyptian government to protect that border, to keep people from bringing missiles and ammunition and bombs in through what's called the South Gate. Now, when that happens, Russia and China have voiced concerns that they do not want anyone to interfere in this. They have a large stake in Syria. That one of the major ports, if not the largest port in Syria on the Mediterranean, is basically a Russian military port to keep, so they can have a control there because of all the oil. But we're looking at prophecy both with the banks. They're talking about in Europe now limiting the ATM withdrawals. They're going to shut the doors on it. They're going to do it here also, guys. But it's a heads up on this. And again, I will put a video up on the prophecy involving these countries. I'll try to get it up tonight or tomorrow. Heads up on this, guys. Again, Hillary Clinton and the world is watching this. Heads up.